Welcome back. In this review, I'm going to walk you through this powerful AI website called Dorik. Dorik is for landing page and single page site. It's simple, it's clean. You can make your site look good. It has template. That's good ready-made design. You can change them if you want. Want a simple, nice site? Dorik might be right. And here the key benefit about this platform, which is the easy drag and drop website builder with an extensive library of pre-built template and blocks. It has an integrate with popular marketing tools and affordable pricing plan with good customer support. So that's it. If you want more information about the pros and cons, hear me out. So with these powerful AI tools, you have access to user-friendly drag and drop tools with many template block with good value for the price and easy marketing integration. And here's the downside. Design customization can be limited, fewer advanced features with some templates look similar. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section if you have more review about this powerful AI website. And that's it.